Elon Musk is known to the world today as a man who makes the impossible possible. His life is a story of constant struggle, risk taking, and unwavering belief. Early years and extraordinary intelligence. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. He was an extraordinary child from an early age. Instead of playing like normal children, he would spend hours lost in books. He soon read so much that he knew far more than the adults around him. At the age of 10, he got his first computer and taught himself programming. At just 12, he sold a simple video game he had made called Blaster to a magazine for $500. It was his first business success. His childhood was somewhat difficult, but the world of books and dreams of the future kept him motivated. Travel and education in North America. At a very young age, Elon made two important decisions. The first was that he would go to the United States and work there. And the second was that he would work on the three areas of life that were most important for the future of humanity: the internet, renewable energy, and space travel. At the age of 17, he moved to Canada and later earned 2 degrees in physics and economics from the University of Pennsylvania. The first big leap on the internet, Zip2 and PayPal. After completing their education, Elon and his brother Campbell took their first big step in 1995 and founded the company Zip2. It basically worked to create an online city guide for newspapers. At that time, the internet was new and they had to sleep in the office for many days to run the company. In 1999, he sold Zip2 for a huge sum. After that, Elon invested all his money in his next venture, X.com, which later became PayPal. PayPal revolutionized the way online payments were made. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal and Elon Musk made his first big fortune. Taking risks on impossible dreams. 2002 to 2004. Instead of retiring or living a comfortable life, Elon invested almost all of his wealth, about $100 million, into his three biggest and riskiest dreams. SpaceX 2002. Their goal was to reduce the cost of rocket launches and eventually establish a human population on Mars. Tesla 2004. To popularize electric cars and push the world toward sustainable transportation. Solar City 2006. To make solar power common and affordable for homes. The years of crisis 2008, near bankruptcy 2008 was the most difficult period for their life. It felt like all their dreams were going to fall apart. SpaceX failed miserably in their first 3 launches. The 4th launch was their last chance. Tesla, the first car, the Roadster, was very late in being produced, and the company almost went bankrupt due to running out of money. Elon was also broke personally and had little money left for his life. All this critical gesture, Elon did not give up. He used the last of his money to fund SpaceX's 4th launch and keep Tesla alive. The 4th SpaceX launch was successful and NASA awarded SpaceX a major contract. Rescue. On Christmas Eve 2008, Tesla also received significant funding from investors at the last minute, which saved the company. Continued success and the journey to the future. After emerging for the 2008 crisis, Elon Musk's companies moved forward rapidly. Tesla became one of the most valuable automakers in the world, and SpaceX made history when they managed to dramatically reduce the cost of space travel by creating reusable rockets. The main secret of their success: extreme hard work. They are known for working 16 to 18 hours a day. No fear of failure. They consider failure to be a learning process, not an end. Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. First principle thinking. They look at problems in terms of fundamental physics. First principles thinking, so that they can understand what the minimum possible cost of anything could be, and then they try to achieve it. Elon Musk's story is a rich lesson that if you have the passion to fulfill your dream, the courage to take risks, and the unwavering grit, you can change the world.